Let's continue that video. After you back to yourself, it means you find who you are inside, and then you can feel you very soft person, very gentle, very kindness, very love, very caring. This nature for spiritual. I want who is listening my video have experience about this, because we are just the child in this earth. Why we not to have a life quick to angry, quick to judge anybody? Life is easy. Who is make life is difficult? Who is make this? Just let life freedom, be happiness everywhere, every even sad situation. Just find the positive. Every decision have two way, have negative or positive. Depend you how you gonna find the good things in that position. Just let life be easy, not put pressure too much. Everything easy. Life is funny. We here for have adventure about life, learn more. It's something we make wrong, we make mistake. Just learn more and let it go. Sammy, you look at me. I'm still not confident about my English, but I don't know why I need to wait. Just let talk because because language, I know language is for communication for this world. Have English, have Thai, have Chinese, have many language. But why we need to wait? We just let talk show who is listening you, show them feeling. What about you want to explain them? You want to give nice thing in this world, because the world now enough for bad things happen. We need to help everywhere. Give smiling, give nice thing for this world, for another people. Time to chiming. Everybody need to help, because we all is oneness. We are the same. If we still angry with another people, it means you angry with yourself, because we are the oneness. Let me explain more and talk more another video. Thank you very much and have a nice weekend. Love you. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย